Today I want to show you how to master making brown gravy using just a few simple ingredients. First, we're going to make a roux. Set your stove to medium heat and make sure your pan is warm to the touch. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour and mix it with the butter. You'll need to constantly stir until all of the flour is dissolved. So after about 5 minutes of cooking on medium heat, the roux should turn medium brown like this, and you should smell a nice nutty aroma. If you smell it, that's a good sign, okay? We're almost there, so be encouraged. And look, once your roux turns dark brown like this, turn the heat off and let it cool down just a little bit. You're going to season with 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon powder and 3/4 teaspoons of coarse ground black pepper, and let the residual heat cook those seasonings for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn your heat on to medium low. Then add 1/8 of a cup of small diced green bell peppers and 1/8 of a cup of small diced white onions. And cook until the onions are translucent. That's about 1.5 minutes. Then add 1/2 of a tablespoon of minced garlic and cook until the garlic becomes very fragrant. 45 seconds. That's it. You're going to need 1 cup of hot water. Only add the water a little bit at a time. Okay, so just watch how I'm doing it here. Now, as you can see, after I added in that water, I mixed it up. It got really thick within a matter of seconds. And that's when I'm going to go back in and add a little more hot water and mix. So when you make your gravy, just do it just like this. And you want to keep doing this until you've either added all of the water or until your gravy has reached the desired thickness that you want. Now you can season to taste with salt. You can also go back in with a little more beef bouillon powder. You can do a little bit more coarse ground black pepper if you want. Then you can turn the heat off and strain the bell peppers. But why would you do that? You know, I'm just telling you, I wouldn't do it. But if you want, you know, go ahead and strain them. But you really should leave that in there. That's just more flavor to your food. All right. I served this the other day over some rice, and yeah, y'all, this was, when I tell you, like, I ended up making more rice just to go with my gravy. Like, it was so good, y'all. I hope that you will try it. I know that you will love it. As always, I thank you so much for your support on this channel. Please do me a big favor and click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.